and go on and on about all the laughs, pranks, successes, and adventures we shared during those 4 years.
She knew, Jeremy, that you were the one for her from day one.
But never doubt that Jeanette will jump in and fight anyone for you.
I wish you guys nothing but the best, and I love you guys so much.
My daughter is a gift from God, and now Jeremy is your gift too.
We've always wanted a daughter, and we have one now, so.
I caught it.